Hello everyone, my name is Sansa. I'm Siniso. Salon, college, shopping mall, city, office, shop, hospital, salon, dome, home, June. Let's go home. It's a big dome. Look at a sand dune. The month is June. Color the map at the boy holding pink. Color the girl helmet green. Color sunny on the pen message. Color the snow with a big shell orange. Color the leaf on the tree purple. Color the jacket on the man on the back blue. Color the smaller dolphin yellow. Color the bat the girl holding purple. Write rover on the side of the boat next to star. Color the man's sweater red.